Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Task Manager shows wrong CPU usage on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to perform a clean boot on your system. Now, how would you perform a clean boot on your system? It is not very difficult. All you need to do is search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is to run a memory diagnostic test. Search for memory diagnostic in the Windows search bar and click on Windows memory diagnostic. Click on this option here, restart now and check for problems. The next solution is a cloud reset. How would you perform a cloud reset on your computer? So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select recovery in the right pane, click on reset PC, select remove everything. Now select cloud download. The last solution is to increase the physical RAM memory. It's very easy. All you need to do is go to websites like Amazon or Best Buy or any one that you prefer. Okay, sorry, it's amazon.com, and then search for RAM. Hit RAM because the real issue is with RAM. So try to find an appropriate RAM here. These are the more expensive ones. You can buy 4 GB or 16 GB. So they would cost you anywhere between $20 to $35, a good one, and you can use it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.